Pagkakasanan natin ang mundo, magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo.
Guys, we're having a hike today and we're gonna climb in Binagsur. Let's go!
Tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Hi.
Hi!
Okay lang, walang ano. Hi guys, say hi. Hi guys, we're still continue walking here in Dinahanan and I'm enjoying but it's a little bit tired. I hope I enjoy the moment of masap na. I'm with my friends. I'm not enjoying the energy. Almost 5 a.m. I'm gonna like love the people for having I will make with them say, hi guys, are you okay? So we're almost in the town of the Binagsur. We're almost there guys. Let's go.
Diretso.
We did it in the top. Guys, we're here at the top of the mountain in Binagsur. In Binawan of So are you okay? Look at the view guys. The view is giving. Hi guys. We're picture taking area. So most of the people taking pictures here in Binagsur, and of course us are not papahuli. Isn't that nice? Although it's tiring, but the view is very giving, very nice.
Umakas na tayo, pagkasanan natin ang mundo, magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang katupatan, lagasgas ng ilog, dumudulog, at hinahanap na tayo ng kalikasan.